AOC. Yeah, I remember when people tell me say I no go make am for this life, but I know say who are dey my side. I know say I get God on my side. You know why? Because I'm born to win. Yes, I'm born to win. Let's go. It's money on my way, sunshine every day. We wake up every morning, we give thanks to the Lord. I try give my best, I try pray so hard, I try work for myself. So look where I am now. They say I'm weak, they say I'm too slow, they say I can never make it. So look where I am now. They say I'm weak, they say I'm too slow, they say I can never make it. So look where I am now. My mind is full of pains, my mind is full of this, my mind is full of this. That people say I'm weak. We thank God for the grace, we thank God for the peace, we thank God for the joy. I still thank God for the things. I try giving my best, I try pray so hard, I try working for myself. So look where I am now. They say I'm weak, they say I'm too slow, they say I can never make it. So look where I am now. They say I'm weak, they say I'm too slow, they say I can never make it. So look where I am now. They say I'm weak, they say I'm weak, they say I'm weak.